What is up, internet? Hope you are doing just fine. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can generate perfect images using AI. So be sure to watch this till the end so that you'll be able to see all the different websites I will be introducing you to. If you're new here, be sure to absolutely demolish that subscribe button and give me a like for the algorithm. Now let's get straight to it. So the first website on this list is going to be replicas.com. So the prerequisites you're going to need for this are simple. One, you are going to need a GitHub account, which is pretty simple to create, and it will allow you to make this for free. So straight out the box, they have several models, and I'm going to show you all of them. So you have the stable diffusion for generating the images, and you also have a face restoration algorithm for restoring old photos and whatnot. So let's look at this in practice. Let's check out how you can generate images on the fly. So I just gave this a basic description. I said Ariana Grande image, high resolution, realistic features, detailed models, and 8K. You know what? Let's try something else. How about we put good old Elon Musk right here? Elon Musk. Let's see what will it generate. And all you have to do, you can scroll down. You can specify the width, the height. You can also put in an initial image and a mask if you want to have an overlay over the original image. Just you can put in a random seed, or you can leave it blank and it will be randomized. So let me just do that and hit submit. So it's pretty fast. It kind of like does this in like approximately 10 to 20 seconds depending on your machine. And voila, that is not a flattering image of Elon Musk, but as you can see, you can generate this, and this is your own art. I mean, you have actually created this yourself. So let's not waste time on that. Let's get straight to the second website. What this one is it's called Estil, and it's developed by a single developer from MIT. So big ups to you, and it is free. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the prompt and we're going to paste this right here. So let me just change this back because it doesn't seem we have that great of a collection of Elon Musk images. And let's hit on generate. So this one takes a bit longer. It's not as fast as the first site, but it's pretty much still in the same tier. So let's leave that for a while that loads up. Let's check out Desgo.com. So Desgo.com is pretty much similar to the others, but not in terms of speed. I'll say this is the slowest. So let's check back at end still. Okay, there you go. So look at that. Already you have two variations of two incredible images created by AI. And of course, if you want to download this, all you have to do is hit on that download button. While that loads, I want to show you another model. This is the face restoration. So what we can do is I can delete this, and then we can use the photo we just created right there, and it kind of just smoothens everything, make sure it's a much better version. But you kind of do lose the appearance because this one may not look like Ariana Grande that much. Well, it's not bad actually. Restoration algorithm right there is in play. So let's go check back at our friends back at Desgo and see what's going on. So nothing yet, and there we go. We have AI generated art right here. So it's pretty nice. It came out pretty nice, and you can be sure to play around with this stuff a lot more because there's a lot more you can do with this technology. And thank you for watching my video. Be sure to absolutely wreck that subscribe button, give me a like for the algorithm, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.